Google DeepMind just dropped something that sounds like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie. It's called Project GENIE, and it's not just another video generator like Sora. It's a world model, a system that doesn't just show you a video, but lets you step inside and control it. Is this the death of traditional game development? Or is it the birth of a new era where we all become creators? Today, we're diving deep into how GENIE works, why it's a massive leap toward AGI, and why the gaming industry is shaking right now. So, what exactly is GENIE? At its core, it's a foundation world model. Most AIs we know, like ChatGPT or Midjourney, are trained on text or images. But GENIE was trained by watching over 200,000 hours of video gameplay. But here's the kicker. It wasn't given any instructions. It wasn't told what a jump is or how gravity works. It learned physics just by observing. When you give GENIE a single image, it uses its massive 11 billion parameter brain to predict what should happen next if you press a key. It's basically hallucinating a consistent, interactive world frame by frame. If you've seen GENIE 2 or the latest GENIE 3 updates, the quality has jumped from 2D platformers to rich, 3D environments at 720p. We're talking about real-time interactivity where you move, and the AI generates the world around you on the fly. One of the biggest problems with AI video has always been consistency. Usually, if a character walks off-screen and comes back, they look different. But GENIE has what DeepMind calls long horizon memory. If you paint a wall in a GENIE-generated world, walk away for a few minutes and come back, the paint is still there. It remembers the world state. This persistent memory is what separates a simple animation from a playable world. And it's not just for gamers. This technology is a goldmine for robotics. Instead of training a robot in the real world, where it might break or cause accidents, we can now generate infinite, realistic virtual playgrounds for AI agents to practice in. This is the fast track to building smarter, more capable robots for our homes. Let's talk about the human element. Critics say this will kill creativity, but I think it's the opposite. Think about the barrier to entry. Right now, to make a game like Elden Ring or Cyberpunk, you need hundreds of millions of dollars and thousands of developers. With GENIE, a kid with a drawing or a photographer with a unique vision can create an experience. It democratizes creation. But there are caveats. Right now, GENIE is still a research project. The memory lasts for minutes, not hours, and the physics can still get a bit trippy. However, the speed of improvement is terrifying. We went from blurry 2D boxes to 3D interactive scenes in less than a year. Google DeepMind isn't just building a game maker. They are building the foundation for how AI understands our physical reality. Project GENIE is a window into a future where the line between watching and playing completely disappears. But what do you think? Would you play a game entirely generated by AI? Or do you think the human touch of a developer can never be replaced? Let me know in the comments. I really want to hear your take on this. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the future of AI and robotics, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to AI Grid Lab. We're tracking every major breakthrough so you don't miss a beat. I'll see you in the next one.